Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it does not really matter on which mode you will be, because in the settings we've got everything mixed. We've got photo settings, video settings, and the general. So in the general section we've got the timer on the third option. Let's tap on it, on the third position, sorry. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the delay, we have to tap on the option we'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. It is immediately notified right here. So let's go back to the camera. Unfortunately, as far as I can see, or actually cannot see, we do not have any icon that will show us that we've got the countdown, but that's okay. Simply tap on the shutter button, and right now your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And basically it will work the same with all other countdowns. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.